Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be explaining on how to use this app to make our adverts. Very simple. Okay, you open to your browser. I'm using Chrome, and so I search for agents. Probably you'll be hearing it. On this agent you can make your video as long as 2-3 minutes. Okay, so this is the interface of the agent, and this is what you'll be seeing. So here where that plus is, you'll be placing your prompt there, the prompt of what you desire. And to make the work fast, I've made my prompt on an advert about a boutique. I told it to give me different scene of a boutique and then the people. In fact, prompting is the main thing in all this AI thing. So I've made my prompt somewhere to make it easy. So you can see how beautiful this agent is. You have the avatar there. You have describing how to translate your video, that is any language you want, like French, like any other one. Okay, like I said, to make the work fast, I've already placed my prompt here, telling it to advertise a particular boutique for me. I told it different scenes I want. You just describe exactly what you want. Your prompting will help you to have a beautiful outcome. If the prompting is bad, your outcome will be bad. You just wonder what to put there. And if the prompting is good, you get it right. So I copied it from the place I placed it, and then lo and behold, I place it on this place that asked me to describe. So you let the AI know whether you want it as a landscape or portrait. Okay, so I prefer the portrait, and I click on the portrait as it is there, then send it. But one other thing that you need to tell the app is the timing. Like the first one I sent, I didn't put timing there, so I had to stop it. So I have to put timing there so that it can, because if you don't put time, it might just do a 20 seconds ad for you, 25-second ad. At least that was my experience. So I had to stop that first one, and then I added the timing, which was 57. Okay, so what you will do is that you make sure you get your own prompt too, and then you place it. Okay, if you have watched to this session and you are yet to subscribe, why not subscribe now and like it? Okay, so while I type the time I want, I put it as 57 seconds. Okay, so that I can have it a very comprehensive ad. Okay, it's a very good app you can use at a go. You don't have to write it in pieces, unlike using the group. Write 60 seconds, 6 seconds, and begin to join them. This one is just at a go, a minute at a go, and then you get to add or whatever the story you want to learn there. Okay, so while we wait for it, it's generating each of the scene, preparing it to bring it out excellently. So you wait, and then for the outcome. So you can see how it's working hard, very much. Yes, so we want to give us a good thing, a good product, a good end product. So we have to wait for it. Just be patient until it's ready for the video. You can use it to write story. You can use it to do ad. I normally use it for ad because it gives me a long video at a go. I've run different ad with it, real estate ad, and you know what that means. That one na money. Real estate ad. I've used it for drink, juice drink. I've used it for soap. So many ads I've used it for. Okay, I've used it to run my soap video. Okay, so it's already getting it done. He said we should wait, okay, for it to come out well. So you can use it for
Okay.
ad and cash as
Wow.
so you see our video
Can
is
we
ready.
see?
So let's watch what the
It's
video
quite
is all
beautiful.
about. Okay.
So we can now play it.
Welcome to Begabee Boutique, located at 102 Godwin Avenue, Lagos, where fashion meets elegance. Experience the warmest service. Explore our curated collection of the latest trends.
You are going to download it. Okay. Normal download or speed for the sample. Okay, so you can just go ahead and then download it.